Right, so here we have a Toyota RAV4 2.2 DCAT Invincible Auto 4-wheel drive, finished in metallic cherry red. We've got front fog lights, front and rear parking sensors with camera, nice elegant headlights, 18-inch two-tone alloys, all with Bridgestone tyres, all in good condition, little side running steps. We've also got privacy glass in the back. Like I said, parking sensors around the rear. We've got a camera on there as well. Power tailgate. Also got a protection pack, which is the boot liner, mud flaps and rubber mats in the car. Spare wheel under there, and your jack and wheel brace and locking wheel nut, etc. Inside the car, full black leather interior. Plenty of leg room as well. Good bit of space in a RAV4. Got the book pack, 2 keys for the car. Like I said, rubber mats front and rear. Front seats are heated. You can see all bodywork's all in good condition, all alloys in good condition as well. So inside we've got power folding mirrors, obviously you've seen the boot, electric windows front and rear, electrically adjustable driver's seat, also got engine stop start, cruise control on that one, multifunctional steering wheel, you've got paddle shift for your gearbox, telephone control, stereo controls, etc. Automatic light set in there. 37914 on the clock. Oh, it's just disappeared. I've also got 37914 on the clock. Also got touchscreen satellite navigation. When it loads up, there you go. And we've also got reversing camera, Bluetooth, DAB radio, auto air conditioning. We've also got heated seats left and right, USB ports for your phone, just in there, and a 12 volt adapter. With different driving modes, you've also got your 4-wheel drive mode, power tailgate operation there. Automatic dimming rear view mirror, all in lovely condition, really low mileage. So if you're interested in the car, please give us a call. The number's 01977 661055. My name's Glenn. You might get through to Trish or Ian, either one of us will be happy to help you. If you want to have a look at our website, huntgreengarage.co.uk, you'll find this and the rest of our cars all advertised on there. Finance calculator, directions of how to get to us, and all our contact details. As usual, all I'd ask is just give us a ring on anything that you're coming down to have a look on. Make sure it's still available. It's not had a deposit on it or anything like that. Don't want to waste anybody's time or travelling. Okay, thank you.